It's Mrs. Peters. We're going to talk about quadrilaterals and what exactly that means. A quadrilateral is a four-sided figure. No special thing, just has to have four figures and it's in a two-dimensional or flat surface. Today, we're going to have Fred here, Fred the cat. You see Fred the cat right here? Here's Fred the cat. Fred the cat's going to be a friend of ours and he's going to join us in quadrilateral universe. So he's going to fade away, and now he comes into the quadrilateral universe. First, we're going to talk about generic four-sided figures. A generic four-sided figure, like I said, just has four sides. It doesn't have to be special. Okay, no parallel lines or anything like that. Any of that, any four-sided figure is a quadrilateral. Now, we're going to start off with our first type, which is called a kite. Okay, a kite is a special four-sided figure that has two pair of connecting sides that are equal. Here's a connecting side, here's a connecting side, and they're equal. And here's a connecting side, here's a connecting side, and they're equal in length, and that's what we're talking about. So that's our first universe, or our first little area. If I can get the circle, there we go. There's our first area. Okay, kite land. Then we're going to talk about a special situation that happens. How about that we have a set of opposite sides of a figure, four-sided figure, is parallel. That means they run in the same direction. Has nothing to do with the length of the sides, just that if I put it in a coordinate system, that they have the same slope. So this is a set of opposite sides that are parallel, and that's a trapezoid. And in this particular trapezoid, this side here and this side here are parallel, right? And we have a special type of those that within there that we also call isosceles trapezoid. An isosceles trapezoid has the non-parallel sides, this one here and this one here, okay, are congruent, or they are equal. And that's a special um, situation. It's still a trapezoid, and that's why the circles within the oval, we have isosceles trapezoids. Isosceles meaning two legs are the same. Now, our next set is called, and it's obviously it's bigger, okay, it takes about half the universe right now, is we have what we call a parallelogram. Okay, parallelograms have two pair of opposite sides that are parallel, and those opposite sides are equal. So I have parallel, parallel, equal, okay? Then I also have parallel, parallel, and equal. Now, within the land of parallelogram, we also have some special parallelograms, right? Our first set of special parallelograms are rectangles. And here, all of a sudden, now we're talking about the angles that are formed. All these other quadrilaterals, we've talked about sides being equal or sides being parallel. Well, all of a sudden, now we have rectangles. They're still a parallelogram. They still do everything parallelograms do, except all their angles are equal, and all those equal angles are 90 degrees. All right? That's one special type of parallelogram. We have another type of special parallelogram. Okay? This other type of special parallelogram is called a rhombus. And quite often, y'all think it looks sort of like a diamond, but it's not. It doesn't sparkle. But a rhombus has all its sides are equal. It has nothing to do with angles. Rectangle has the word angle in it, and we're talking about angles. Rhombus is strictly talking about the sides, and all the sides are equal. Now, you see this little area in here where the two sections overlap? We have a very special parallelogram. We have a special parallelogram that is also a rectangle and also a rhombus. And I bet you've already figured out what it is. It is a square. Okay? A square is a rectangle and a square is a rhombus at the same time. All of its angles are equal. They all equal 90. And all of its sides are equal. So, with that said, This is the quadrilateral universe. Make sure that you understand it because we're going to be starting to prove some of these based on length of sides, distance formula, and slope or paralleleness. That's it. Y'all take care. Talk to you later. Bye.